Hey everyone, this is Lee at Coachmen. I want to take this opportunity to introduce to you the new American Spirit. This is the Northern Spirit that we rebranded for all of our dealers here in the States to help align with the 250th birthday for America. I want to take this quick second to just talk to you about the 2353 and some of the great features it's known for. For example, our Skyview front cap. This is all automotive grade glass with automotive grade paint. This just gives you that real Skyview look on the inside. When you go in, you'll see how just it really opens up the unit. As well as our camping simplified features. These are unique features that throughout that we think is going to make camping simpler. That's what this platform was built on. For example, fishing pole storage. You got a place to put your fishing rods so they don't get tangled and smashed in the pass-through. 3/4 inch bit. Bring your electric screw gun. You can raise and lower the stab jacks with ease. Continue with that, some of the great things that American Spirit's known for as well is just the great construction, and that is a Coachmen thing. All 6-sided aluminum, block foam insulation, double Asdel on the interior wall, Asdel in behind the exterior wall. Spread axle design, this keeps the towability at ease, it keeps the sway and bounce down, as well as heated and closed underbelly is standard. Every ultralight comes with 200-watt solar with a 30-amp charge controller, so those long weekends when you're not plugged in, you can keep your lights and your refrigerator going. Some other great features that we're known for is just our dog leash clip. This is something we did back in 2018. You got a place to put your dog when you're camping. You've got a bottle opener, as well as an outdoor kitchen. You got an outdoor refrigerator, as well as a griddle, and a great place to put like an ice maker or a coffee maker. We're inside the new 2353, and I want to show you some upgrades for 2027. An all-new appliance upgrade. You got a large 3-burner cooktop with an oversized convection microwave, and a nice large pantry underneath for all that extra storage that you need, as well as an upgraded sink that has a built-in cutting board, a built-in rinse tray, as well as small little things like towel bars and bottle openers. In the kitchen as well, you have an oversized pantry. This is a great place for extra storage for those long weekends that you need extra food for, as well as pet-friendly features. We talked about the exterior dog leash clip. We brought some of that stuff on the inside as well with dog bowls. So we really have checked all the boxes for everyone. In this small camper, you get a lot of amenities, like a large oversized bathroom, lots of counter space. You have a storage above for all your linens, toothbrush holder. You have a nice glass door shower. So this thing is really just checks all the amenities for the consumer. In the living room of the 2353, you're going to find some other nice amenities, as you can do a tri-fold sofa or theater seat option, gives you direct view entertainment to a 40-inch smart TV, as well as a bar area. In smaller campers, you either get a place to sit or a place to eat. You typically don't get both. With this nice little bar area, it gives you that extra eating area as well as extra counter space for prep. So just for a small couples coach, this thing really just hits home. So lastly, in the 2353, guys, I wanted to show you the bedroom. This is a private bedroom with 2 barn doors that open up. You got a 60 by 80 queen bed that lifts up with our max bed storage. This is another Northern Spirit first. You got a place to sit down, you got built-in drawers, you got shoe storage. So we took what was dead space and we made use out of it. Just continuing that camping simplified features, as well as wardrobe closets. You got 2 wardrobe closets that have built-in storage behind it with shelf or books for CPAPs. You also have built-in cup holders for your water bottles at night, as well as a 110 outlet and USB charging. One of the things I want to point out is that Skyview front cap. So you have a true stargazing experience at night. You can open up the blinds, you can look at the stars, you can listen to the rain. So another great feature too is it just makes this unit feel large and massive inside. Just want to thank you again for taking the time to check out the American Spirit 2353. If you'd like more information on this, just check it out on coachmenrv.com or just contact one of your local American Spirit dealers. Thank you.